In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change camera angle in Nano Banana. We'll walk through this using Google Gemini's interface where the Nano Banana 2 Create Image feature lives, so you can reliably control perspectives like top-down, three-quarter, or low-angle shots. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. Give the page a second to load fully so all the creative tools appear as expected. Once you're in, look along the interface for the Tools section and click it. This is where Gemini groups creative features, including the image generator we'll be using for Nano Banana. Next, select Create Image. In Gemini, the Create Image tool is the Nano Banana 2 feature. This is the workspace where you'll define the camera angle and composition through your prompt and, if needed, a reference upload. Before you generate, switch the mode from fast to thinking. Click fast to open the options, then choose thinking. Fast is great for speed, but thinking typically does a better job following detailed camera instructions, which matters when you're aiming for precise angles like bird's eye or worm's eye views. Now, click the plus icon to prepare any supporting files. If you have a reference image, a sketch, or a style sheet, this is where you'll add it. Then, click Upload Files and select the file from your device. A clear reference can help the model maintain character, scene layout, or design while you change only the camera angle. With your workspace set, type your prompt. Be explicit about the angle and composition. For example, render the same scene from a low-angle, three-quarter view, camera slightly below subject eye line, 35mm lens look, shallow depth of field, subject centered, background softly blurred. If you're adjusting an existing image you uploaded, say, keep the subject and style consistent with the uploaded image. Change only the camera angle to a top-down view. Useful angle terms include top-down, bird's eye, isometric, eye level, low angle, high angle, over the shoulder, and close-up. You can also hint at focal length for framing, wide 24 3/8 for feel or telephoto, 85 to 135mm feel. Keep your wording clear and avoid conflicting directions. When your prompt is ready, click Generate. Let Gemini process in thinking mode. Review the result and check whether the camera position, horizon line, and subject scale match your request. If it's close but not exact, refine the same prompt with small adjustments like raise the camera slightly, rotate 30 degrees to the right, or pull back for a wider frame and generate again. That's all there is to changing the camera angle in Nano Banana using Gemini's Create Image feature.